Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany Schenelle, Brit for short, and over here on this channel we talk about all things beauty, lifestyle, luxury, natural hair, fashion, and a little bit of travel. Today we have such an exciting video. We have an unboxing. It's been a while since I've done an unboxing, so I am super excited to just jump in. Before we do though, if you have not liked or subscribed or hit the bell notification for this channel, just go ahead and do that now. That way you're notified every time I put out a new video and you become a part of this family. So I've been looking for a Loewe puzzle bag for quite some time, but I wanted the perfect colorway. I've seen a lot of just solid browns, and then I've seen like yellow and green patterns and a bunch of other patterns and colorways that just would not work with my wardrobe. So when I saw this one online, I freaked out. I put it in my basket so quick. If you guys don't know, or if you haven't watched my previous Fashionphile unboxings, basically Fashionphile is a website where you can go on to find brand new items, but also pre-loved goods, which are normally in excellent or very good condition. They're also very strict with the way that they rank their products. So I will always stick with Fashionphile. I think that they are an amazing online retailer. Their website is just so user-friendly. It's very aesthetically pleasing. They have a very strict authentication process. So when you are buying with Fashionphile, you can be sure that your items are actual authentic items. So now that that is all out of the way, and no, I do not work for Fashionphile. I am not sponsored by Fashionphile. They do not give me discounts. However, I wish they did. So the bag came in this Fashionphile box. I got my file. So this is what the bag came in. It's a little crinkle. Comes in a Fashionphile dust bag. Ah! So exciting. All right, guys. So this is her. This is the Loewe puzzle bag that I was finally able to get my hands on. She is a stunner. So orange has always been a color that I have naturally gravitated to. I think there's something with orange on chocolate. It just complements. They just go together. They just go together like coffee and cream. They just go together. Orange and chocolate. Also, I don't know if it's because we're going into the fall and winter season where I felt like the bright orange and the burnt oranges, it just reminded me of fall maybe. The juxtaposition of all of the colors together are just so nice. She comes with gold hardware. This is just the remove the tag on the bag. This is the certificate of authenticity that Fashionphile puts on every one of their bags. The bright gold hardware. This one does not have gold feet. I think the newer models do come with feet, but this one did not. The flap and everything, the leather is extremely supple, in such great condition. It did come stuffed, and I would recommend for this type of leather, I think it might be calfskin or lambskin. It's not as soft as lambskin. I don't know. It might tell us on the receipt what type of leather it is. She comes with an adjustable strap with this little gold prong here, and you can make it as long or as short as you would like. The zipper tassel just kind of hangs here, and she is basically in pristine condition. The Loewe embossed there, and then on the zipper here, there's little detail. I'm not sure if you can see, but it's a little Loewe symbol there. For the receipt, you get this card that with a thank you inside. This is the Loewe calfskin small puzzle bag in orange. So the price was $1,417. On the receipt, it does let you know that you can go ahead and return the item for a full refund within 30 days of date of delivery. And I have returned to Fashionphile before with absolutely no qualms. They don't give me any problems. I just try to do it really quickly. I normally know right off the bat if I want to keep it or if I want to send it back. The last couple of items I have definitely kept with Fashionphile with no considerations of returning, just because they do so well with their luxury goods. And I really appreciate the security of knowing that they have been authenticated and that they are legit items. All right, so now that we are done with the puzzle bag, let's move on to our next item, which is, this is my very first Cartier item, and when we went to the Cartier store, I freaked out. Like I freaked out. It was just so gorgeous. Went to the one in Miami Design District, and it is stunning in there. The customer service, the smell, the ceiling decor, like you just can't make it up, okay? Love the experience. Let me just go ahead and open it up. I plan on doing a reel. Also, I don't know how I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna make a reel and a YouTube video. Either, I mean, I have to unbox it both times, so we shall see. Every Cartier package comes like this. Whether you're getting your champagne, whether you're getting jewelry, whether you're getting perfume, it comes well packaged. This is actually like a red wax that they stamp with the Cartier emblem on both sides. So chic. Absolutely love that touch. They give you this Cartier brochure with everything inside. You have the receipts, you have your sales associate's information, and then you have the certificate of authenticity. All right, so let's just rip off the paper. I don't know why I'm acting so strange about this. Like, I don't know why. But maybe it's because this is my first Cartier item. Oh, it's a little tough to, I don't know how. Why did I, like the stamp, like I can't get the stamp off. Oh well, when you unwrap this, you unwrap it. Oh man, I was hoping that I could keep the stamp intact. However, that's a no-go. That one's upside down. All right, so y'all have to excuse me. I literally don't know how to get into the box. This is like legit high-tech wrapping. Yeah, that whole hope of making a reel plus the unboxing ain't gonna happen, Captain. I've destroyed the paper. 100% destroyed the paper.
5 hours later.
Okay, so this is what the box looks like. They make you work for it, honey. After you work for the money to pay for it, then they make you work to get into the box. Just the whole vibe of Cartier, like the red, it's just absolutely stunning. And then this is how the box actually comes. Comes with this little button here to keep the box closed. This is the item, guys. This is the love ring. I am obsessed with it. Let me see. I actually got it in a size that fits both my middle and my ring finger and my index because I wanted to be able to wear it on any of the 3 fingers. So let's try it on. And if you're wondering, the jewelry that I have on today, I didn't even do, sorry. All right, tops from Mango. All the bracelets are from Miranda Fry. Earrings are from Nasty Gal. These little stone rings, which I am obsessed with, those are from Miranda Fry. They're just so dainty and chic. And then this round ring is from Ana Luisa. And then this love ring is from Cartier. So this is what it looks like on my index finger. Beautiful. Let's see. This is what it looks like on the middle finger. It's a little loose on the middle finger. This is what it fits like on the thumb. So thumb and index, absolutely love. So gorgeous. So I plan on wearing it in conjunction with my other staffer rings, like so. Look at how beautiful. Oh my goodness. Perfection. Beautiful. Let me see if it fits on. Yep. Fits over here on my left hand. definitely too big for my middle finger over here. But it does fit on my thumb on my left hand. So I will most likely be wearing it on my index finger just because I love the look of that. I think it is just so chic. All right, so moving on to the receipt. Like I said, it comes in this red plastic brochure. This is the love ring in yellow gold, and the original price was $1,720 with additional tax. So guys, I finally have unboxed my love ring, which was a gift to me from Brandon. So it holds a very special place in my heart. I hope I don't get it scratched, but it's supposed to be worn every day, so it's definitely gonna get scratched. I'll try to keep it as scratch-free as possible. All right, beautiful people, so that concludes today's double luxury unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do enjoy videos like this, please go ahead and put that comment down below. Also, feel free to comment what else you would like to see in future videos. If you haven't already, make sure that you hit that like button, subscribe, and bell notification. All right, guys, I will see you all on the next one. Bye.